Now we come to the second section of our revision, which is a chart that summarizes everything regarding the present simple tense. Alright, and we'll start with the uses in here. The first one is repeated actions and example regarding it. He walks every day, or she studies at night. Facts which do not change. Facts حكينا عن إنه scientific facts. An example: the earth is round. The earth is round. He has brown hair. He doesn't have black hair. He has brown hair. Now we come to the form of the present simple tense, affirmative form, which is I, you, we, they, and it takes the verb in the base form, which is eats. He, she, it. Eat. He, she, it with the verb plus s or es or ies regarding our spelling notes. The negative, we have to use the auxiliary or helping verb, which is do. So I, you, we do not eat or don't eat, the short form. The he, she, it doesn't eat or does not eat. And we go to the interrogative, which means the question. Do, I, you, we, they eat with the question mark here placed, or does he, she eat? Does he, she, it eat with the verb in the base form because the s was transferred to the auxiliary verb do. Now we go to that keyword, and we said it is regarding the time expression. Every with time, every day, every night, every morning, every week, month, year. Or in the morning, as our example that we had stated on the board, or in the night, or at night. At night. We also talked about the adverbs of the frequency اللي هم أحوال التكرار from the most often to the least often اللي هم always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Rarely and never. Now we come to the spelling rules, which are the verb endings. So if the verb ends with ss or sh, ch, x, or o, we add es, such as I watch become he watches if I want to add the s for the third person, which is he, she, it. I wash, she washes. Here, if it ends with a consonant plus y, I omit the y and I add ies, such as I study. It ended with a y. I have to omit or delete the y and add ies. He studies. He studies. I hurry. She hurries. I fly. She flies. And if it was here a vowel plus the y, I just add the s. I just add the s. Here, such as I buy, it becomes she buys, because we know that the u is a vowel, which are a, e, o, u, and I, plus the y. We just add the s. We just add the s. These were the notes regarding the spelling, and this was a summarization as a chart for your revision regarding the simple present. Now we will go together and solve an exercise regarding it, so we know that we understand, okay, what we were talking about. So our exercise will be regarding the simple present tense. Exercise 1, fill in the blanks with the appropriate simple present tense form for the verb given. And I need one more task from you. that you have to tell me why, the function, why did I choose this thing, or how did I know that it is in the simple present. So number one, sentence number one, the train, and the word I have arrived at 4:30 p.m. Here I have to put the verb, and because I have the train, it means it. معناته عندنا الverb, it has to come with an S. So the answer will be arrives. Number two, the sun, and here we put it in the simple present because we have a scheduled time, a timetable event, which is at 4 p.m. Number two, the sun. When I say the sun, it means from the east, and the word or the verb I have rise. The sun, it, and here it is a fact, so it has to be rises. The sun rises from the east. It's a scientific fact. Let's go to the third one. The next term on Monday. So here I have to put begins on Monday. She an engineer. I have the verb to be. I gave you the rule while I was explaining the simple present for the first time, which is in your number 5, I believe, video. Tamam, and I explained the rule of be and have. So here she, and the answer will be in the simple present will be is. If I had here let's see, I should put am. If I have here you, we, they, I should put are, but because it was she or he or it, we had to put is. John, usually, I have the adverb of the frequency usually, so, and I have John, it means he, so here the answer will be eats. My bad. Tamam. Next question, or next sentence, my friend and I. So here we have plural. Soccer twice a week. Here I have the keyword twice. That's why I have to put it in the simple present, and here the verb will be practice. My friend and I practice soccer twice a week. Exercise number 2 will be completing the chart. If it has an affirmative sentence, we have to make it negative and interrogative, and if it was negative, we have to make it in the affirmative form and the interrogative or the question, and etc. So here we have they drink soda daily. Okay, it will become they do not drink soda daily, or in the interrogative, do they drink soda daily? Number 2, does Sally study English? If I want to make it in the affirmative form, I say Sally studies English, because we do not use the do in the affirmative form. And if I want to make it interrogative, I say Sally doesn't study English. The third sentence, he doesn't usually swim. If I want to put it in the affirmative form, I say he usually, and I add s to the verb swim, it will become swims. So he usually swims. And if I want to ask, I say does he usually swim, and the answer will be yes he does, or no he doesn't. And we will continue, or you will continue the last 3 sentences, such as the first three examples. With that, we will be done with our revision regarding the simple present tense, and I will place a homework for you after we are done with the second revision for the simple or for the present continuous tense, in order to know how to differentiate between them. You guys have a nice day and see you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.